Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your laptop is plugged in but your battery is not charging on your Windows device. So it should be hopefully a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to proceed to type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager. You want to left click to open that up. Now you want to go underneath the batteries section of Device Manager and left click on the little arrow next to it to expand the view. Now any batteries that are listed in here, now there might be one or two, you want to basically just right click on it and then left click on Uninstall Device, confirm and click on Uninstall. When you restart your computer, the battery should be detected automatically. So at this point, like I said, I would recommend that you restart your computer after closing any applications you have on your screen still, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.